Hello guys, so welcome to this other tutorial. So in this particular one, we'll move direct to the next phase of our trading. So basically from the last video, you've watched how to set up your trading view and every other thing you need to know about your trading view. Now the next thing is you want to start analyzing a particular instrument asset, right? So the first thing you're going to do is to select the one you want to work on. So let's say we all be trading crypto. So we'll all be trading crypto. So basically I already have crypto selected here. So but let's, for the sake of people who don't know how it works and other details you need to learn, so what I'll be doing is I'll be coming to this place here. See, I have a watch list here, so I'm going to add the particular project I want. So I'm going to come here and click on add symbol. Then I'm going to come here. You see, we have a lot of them. I think I covered this in the last video. So but basically now I'm going to select BTC USDT. So that's what it's going to be. Now if you check here, you see that we have a lot of BTC USDT, a lot of them, a whole lot of them. So I want you to understand that anytime you are doing this, when you type the particular asset you want, so long as you're selecting all, you're going to have a lot of them here. So what it means is this: we have BTC spot on all of them, and you see we have different exchange listing their own here. We have Binance own, have KuCoin. So what it means is that anyone you select, you are going to open up the data, the historical data of that particular one. So that's what it means. So but for this case, we'll be using either Binance or MEXC. So basically I trade with MEXC, so I use MEXC. But you understand that we have spots here. So we are not analyzing spot, we're analyzing perpetual. So we're going to do BTC USDT.P. So perpetual is the future market in cryptocurrency. Future market permits you to be able to trade either up or down, either long or short. But the spot market, you only buy, then when it goes up you sell. But in future market, you can predict and decide to go short or go long, meaning you can decide to trade it going up or buy selling down. So that's what it basically means. So for this issue, for this particular illustration, I'm going to select another BTC because I already have the one from there selected. If you see, it's selected already. So for the sake of people who don't know how to navigate this, so what you're going to do, you're going to come here and select another one. So I'm going to select the one of Binance for the sake of this particular tutorial. So, okay, so you see, I click on this addition. I'm going to cover. You see, it's added down here. In the last video, I showed us this. So it's going to be added at the bottom. So all you have to do is to drag it to where you want it to be. So you're going to drag it to where you want it to be. So I'm going to bring it to this up. So then if I click on it, it opens up its data. You see, the data is open. The data for that particular project I selected is open. So I have a lot of data there which I worked in the past. I'm going to clear everything. So for me to clear everything, every item, every design, every write-up, every tool that I've used on this particular project, I'm going to right click on my mouse, then come down to where it says let me do this, where it says remove drawings. So I remove everything that is plotted here, that is analyzed here. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we are going to learn is called price action. So we're going to learn price action basically. So price action is everything about market is price action. Okay, so price action is basically market price movement or direction, where it's going to. So which direction is market going to? Price of this asset, where is it going to? So, and this price movement is actually studied and analyzed based on the current time we are. Today is 11th of November. Then you are going to analyze those price action, price movement, and direction based on what is happening today, what happened yesterday, what happened previous week, what happened 1 year back, what happened 1 month back. So what we'll be covering in this particular training now is price action using understanding movement of price and direction of price using past historical data, so which can be in form of market structure, top-down analysis, or multi-time frame. We'll cover all of this once we start. So in crypto, in forex, in trading, these are the terms used. Some call it market structure, some call it top-down analysis, they call it multi-time frame. But basically what it means is knowing what price did in the past and what it's doing now and what it might do later. So these things, understanding these things helps you know where price was coming from, where it's expected to go. Okay, so that those are all the things we'll be covering in this place. Now before we dive into the chart, I want to also show us a few things. Now basically in trading, price goes in three different directions. Okay, so price goes in three directions. So price goes in three different directions. Price can decide to go up, or price is coming down, or price is just sideways. Okay, so these are the three ways price reacts. Price can decide to go up, or price comes down, or it goes sideways. So price is either up, either down, or straight. So but if in trading, price don't just go and start going up. No, price goes up in zigzag movement. So zigzag movement, I don't know, we all should know. Zigzag movement is something like this. It keeps doing this thing. If you go, comes down, it goes again, it comes down, it goes again, it comes down, it goes again, it comes down. So this is what I mean by zigzag movement, like this. So that's what price keeps doing. And that is what I mean by price goes up in zigzag movement. The same way price comes down in zigzag movement, just like this. Keeps doing this. So price don't basically just goes down. No, price applies that zigzag movement. That has always been the case in any trading. So price applies zigzag movement. So or it start consolidating, moving in straight line. Doesn't go up, it doesn't go down. So and even in that straight line, it moves zigzag. So price can either be going zigzag up, or zigzag down, or zigzag sideways. So this is basically what market price does. So your work is to find out what it's doing at that given time, then you ride along. So this is what I mean. So let's say price is doing this. So you know price is going up by doing this now, and you want to join. So your work is to be able to spot this at a particular given time and be able to join the zigzag movement direction at which the price is going. So it's more like you are riding on a boat and you are going against the tide, the wave of the water. So your work is to, like if you are a surfer, these people that surf the sea, so your work is to know the direction of the wave and to be able to use the current and direction of the wave to glide, to walk, to flow. So that's what we'll be covering in this. So this is just basically me explaining how it works and what it does. So now let's go back to chart. So here is our chart again, our BTC USDT paper. So that's the future market. Okay, so this is the future market. I think I'm having what is it called? I think my system is kind of slow responding. So this is what I mean. So this is the structure of this market now. So the first thing you want to do, you want to be able to spot what the price is doing and how it's doing it. Though this thing have rules, but first of all, let's just picture it. You are looking at it now. The current time frame at is one daily time frame, 1 day. Now if you check the 1 day, you see that zigzag movement I'm telling you. So I'm going to pick this brush tool to illustrate. You see, price came from here and it did this zigzag movement. It came up here with this yellow. It came up here, then it came down. It went up again, then it came down. It went up again, then it came down, then it went up again. You see, price is actually up, but it's going in that zigzag movement. You see, it's going in that zigzag movement. That zigzag movement. So it keeps doing that. It keeps doing that. So the same way when price decides to come down. So your work is to learn this and know where price is at a given time and what it's doing. Then you join the flow. So as a trader, this is your first assignment. It's called market structure. It's called price action. It's called price direction. It's called whatever, anything they call it. They call it so many names. But your work first of all is to understand the direction of market. And as I've told you, it can only go in three ways. Either it's going up in zigzag form, or it's coming down in zigzag form, or it's going sideways. This is going up in zigzag form. This came down in zigzag form. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to show you this from here. See, price came from this place, came down here, went back, came down here again, went back, came down here, then start going up. Okay, you see? So that's zigzag movement. Price keeps doing that. Price keeps doing that. So your work as a trader is to know what price is doing. Is it doing up zigzag movement? Is it doing down zigzag movement? Is it doing sideways zigzag movement? All of these are called market structure. All of these are called market structure. They are called market structure. Being able to know direction of price by that zigzag movement. So that's market structure. So this direction of price is actually has a rule, and it has how it's calculated and plotted and decided. So first of all, when the price is doing an upper zigzag movement, an upward zigzag movement, we call it an uptrend. When the price is doing an up zigzag movement, we call it uptrend or bullish move. Right? When price is going up, when price is coming down, we call it downtrend. Downtrend or bearish move. Now, this is for the sake of people who don't have no single idea about trading. I believe that most people who already know this knows this. So this is basically for people who have no idea, zero knowledge about trading at all. So you have to understand all of this so that when we get into the core, plenty work and the rest, you can be able to follow. So one price is basically doing this. So it's called uptrend. So one price is basically doing this. It's called downtrend or bullish or bearish move. So when price is consolidating, is sideways. It's called sideways. It's called either consolidating market or ranging market. Ranging move. So this consolidating market and ranging move is when price is sideways. In this case, it should be something like this. One price is just going. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's just sideways. So this is consolidating market, this is uptrend, this is downtrend. So this is what you look out for in trading, in market structure, in understanding the direction of market. So for uptrend, we have names that are given to them. So basically, this is your start, where you started active from. So This place is called swing high. This is called swing low. This is called swing low. This is swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. So the same way, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. So basically, market produces a series of swing highs and swing low. So it's called swing high versus swing low. So this is what market does. It just produces a series of highs and lows in swings. So it just creates a high, comes down, it creates a low, it creates another high. So this is basically what market does. Sorry about that. So market creates a series of swing highs and swing lows. So that's what market does. Market just basically creates highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows, just like that. So when market start creating swing highs, swing lows, swing highs, swing lows, then you know the direction is going up, but it's creating swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, the same way. So your work is to be able to know the swing highs, know the swing lows, know what is expected, where market is going to. Is it going up? If it's going up, yes, it's creating swing highs and swing lows up. Is it coming down? Yes, it's creating swing highs and swing lows down. So that is what you are to understand and learn as a trader. Now if you watch here, you see this. See, we have series of swing highs and swing lows. So we have swing high here, we pull back here, which is swing low. We have another swing high, we have another swing low, we have another swing high, swing low, swing high. Just like that, we keep going. We are in an uptrend, in an uptrend. Now in a downtrend, we start having swing highs, swing lows, but coming down. We have this, have here, then we'll start going up. So this is basically what market does. Now you'll be like, okay, so let's assume market does this. Now how do you trade? How do you, okay, what do you do? So your first assignment is actually to fully understand this from what happened last few years to what is currently happening now. So if you check what I have here, you see I'm selecting the daily move. So basically what it means is that every single candle here represents one day, represents a day. Every single candle here represents a day. My system is, I don't know if it's because it's been on for long, it's kind of hanging. So I'm going to pause this video, then come back and continue. Let me reboot it.